Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can manage comments on your Instagram. Maybe you wanted to manage comments on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage comments on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account, and then you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from your profile page, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And here, from here, tap on these settings and privacy. And then you have to scroll down and you'll see in here comments. Tap on these comments. And then in here, you'll see black comments from. Tap on it and you can search a person and block that person so that that person can comment on your post. And then in here, you can allow JF on comments. If you don't want it to allow, simply toggle this button to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage comments on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage comments on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.